Welcome to a quick guide on how to set up your InstaCuppa Espresso Coffee Maker. Start by filling up the water tank with the filtered water up to the line that says max. Next, put the dip tray in place. Plug the machine into an outlet and hit that power button to get things started. See the 1 cup, 2 cup light blinking? Wait until it stops. That's when you know preheating is finished. Add coffee to the portafilter and press tightly with the tamper for a top-notch espresso. Reattach the portafilter to the machine, turning it clockwise until it locks. Simply press the 1 cup or 2 cups button as per your preference. And there it is. A hot fresh espresso straight from your InstaCuppa Espresso Coffee Maker. Relish the experience.